Hello everyone and welcome to this.
You guys have seen the title. It's 15 minutes, 2 normal home cooks, and they have zero idea of the ingredients we're about to give them. Come on boys, you can do this.
So why am I standing here with 4 massive bunts in front of me?
Okay boys, to keep things fair, we're going to play a game. Spin the gin.
Spin the gin.
Whoever side of the kitchen the cork lands on will get first choice of the ingredients under the cloche. They will also cook first, which gives the person with second choice ingredients more time to think. See? Fair.
It's the first time you've ever played Spin the Bottle, isn't it, Ebbers? Right, let's do this. Ready?
Yep.
Barry?
Yeah.
You get first pick of all of the ingredients.
Okay.
Under cloche 1, you can choose and must use one of those ingredients.
Oh.
Which of those proteins would you like?
Mike is left with whatever I don't use.
Correct. Which one would you like to cook with?
I will take the steak, please, because I know Mike is really bad with fish.
Lift the cloche on number 2, a tin of chickpeas or lentils.
Chickpeas.
Lift the cloche on number 3, cucumber or rhubarb.
I'll have the cucumber, please.
Barry, you are going first with steak, chickpeas and cucumber. Mike, you're cooking second with smoked haddock, lentils and rhubarb.
He's a top.
You got a winning combination there, Mike.
I'm not a chef, Ben. How many times do I have to showcase that?
Baz, you're cooking first and your 15 minutes start now.
Okay.
Oh, come on, Baz.
So you have to use your 3 ingredients, but you can use anything else we have in the kitchen.
I'm going to get the beef on the go straight away, oil both sides and season as well. And then I want to get that in a hot pan.
What are you hoping for?
Whilst it's cooking and resting, I can pretty much finish the rest of my dish, which is a chickpea and cucumber miso salad.
Interesting. I like it. Let the storm begin in 3, 2, 1, go!
Right, I'm going to pick up some ingredients first. I'm going to grab an onion, some garlic, and oh, there's some ginger. I'm going to grab some ginger.
They are all things that need chopping and peeling.
Like Holy Trinity.
Ah! Say that. Haven't got a huge amount of experience whatsoever. I know kind of how to cook rhubarb. I sort of know how to poach fish. And I know how to drain a tin of lentils. So I'm going to try and do some form of curry. And I'm going to cook out the rhubarb with the onion in the base.
Okay, so he's got an onion, garlic, ginger base. He's going to save time by sticking it in a mini chopper to get himself a paste. That will cook quicker. He's put a massive pan on the heat, which gives him lots of surface area, which speeds up cooking.
Oh, Ebbers, I was doing all of this. I was going to tell you this, and you were going to be so impressed.
I am impressed, because you're doing it without even thinking about it now.
Now, normally, I wouldn't do this like this, but I'm literally going to put in everything together.
And that is certainly a lot quicker.
Right, but while it's heating up, I'm going to go and get some more ingredients.
While you're doing that, I'm also going to share with you the fact that today there is a skills badge up for grabs.
What?
It's all about speedy cooking. If you can demonstrate and or explain all the things you're doing along the way to make this possible in 15 minutes, then you'll get a badge. What are the tips and tricks and hacks that make this super speedy?
So my aim is get this steak cooking and prep everything else. I'm using butter and garlic to flavour the steak, then mixing my miso into that to get a nice sauce to go in with everything else.
Butter and miso, great combination. We've talked about it as an extended store cupboard ingredient
Just
because it gives you all the umami hit in a fraction of the time because you're just dolloping it out of a jar. We only need 1 plate from you in this instance, so just a demonstration of what you do in 15 minutes for a quick supper. So far, he's working with pace and he's choosing lots of hacks. The only thing I might have changed, spring onions rather than white onions, just because they'll cook in half the time.
Right.
The question is getting it all cooked down in time without crying.
Get in with, oh my God, that is the hardest butter ever. Crack off a bit of butter. Chuck in some garlic as well and start basting your steak.
Now, given we criticised Mike for cooking steak a while back, how do you want yours cooked? Because we'll judge you against it.
I want medium rare, which I think that should be about right. Bit of a bounce back. It's probably on the side of rare. That'll continue cooking and be pink inside. So I think I'm happy with that.
You've had 7 minutes, nearly half your time. 15 minutes is not long, very deliberately. We're looking for something super simple. I think the idea of a salad with a seared steak is keeping it simple, but you've got some really nice flavours going on.
Now comes experiment number 1, experimental rhubarb time. What happens if you blend up rhubarb and cook it off with onions?
Something like rhubarb, lots of ways of cooking it. You don't even have to, you could just kind of blanch it and pickle it. But in this instance, it will definitely puree out quickly and you'll draw out the natural sugars from it, but it is a very sour fruit.
See, I know how to do sweet stuff with rhubarb, and I know what that tastes like. What will that add to a sort of creamy curry base? I don't know, we're going to find out.
I have no idea what it's going to taste
But
like.
I'm familiar with the flavour, so I feel like I can do something to control it.
If that rhubarb wasn't combined with lots of red onion,
Yeah.
I'd save that to the end and add it almost like tamarind. Do that same thing that tamarind would do, that fruity, sour tartness can be delicious. But I don't know what it'll do if you add it in too early. But given he's got raw onion in there as well, he's going to have to.
Do you know what? Let's just do it.
Drain the chickpeas. Then I want to go in to my butter under a tablespoon of miso paste. I'm going to mix it up, warm that through and taste what it's like.
If you needed extra liquid, what you poured into the sink would have been great.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Damn.
the number of times
That's
we
starchy water.
Yeah, if you think about the aquafaba essentially, that's already got loads of protein nutrition in there and it can help to thicken sauces if that's what you're looking for. How are you cooking your fish?
I'm going to poach it in liquid. I would obviously use coconut milk, but I don't have any coconut milk. Could I use thick milk, whole milk? Could I thicken that milk before it gets warmed up with a teaspoon of cornstarch? I think I've seen it done before. Yeah, maybe not, I don't know.
So what's happening with your lentils and all this as well?
I'm going to drain them and just put them through the liquid
put them
and
into
then
liquid.
warm everything through because they're pre-cooked. So, garam masala. We're going to go for a decent amount of the Kashmiri.
I love
It's not spicy, is it?
Have you tasted it?
Yeah, it's mild. I tried a bit. It's not spicy, it's more fruity.
I love how bold you are with these flavours.
Yeah, and then we'll go for a little bit of cinnamon.
In terms of time saving, I like the fact you're using spice blends. Garam masala has already got a whole bunch done for you. You've got 6 minutes left, Mike.
No, right, it's too late. All that water in, all that milk. What's the matter?
That's a lot of milk.
That's a lot of milk, which is fridge cold and probably won't come up to temperature in the next 6 minutes.
It's a broth now.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do, a broth.
I thought it was a thick sauce.
No, I need to blend it. I'm going to run out of time.
Blend it.
Well, yeah, to make it smooth.
You've only got 5 minutes,
Wow.
so what are you going to do in 5 minutes?
Amazing.
I've messed it, guys.
Ooh. Ooh. You're in trouble.
Good to hear. I like the confidence. That's what we need. You've got 5 minutes remaining.
Okay, spring onions go in here. I don't want it too hot, so I think I might put half the chilli in.
Can I pan fry this? I must be able to pan fry this.
Yeah. With a 15-minute cook, this was a bold choice of recipe because there's a lot to get done. 4 minutes remaining. It's smelling good.
I do need to use these, so they're all in.
It's pretty good if you've got time to finish it with a nice garnish of herb
Yeah,
or
I
something.
need some
quite
herbs.
special.
Can you keep an eye on that fish?
Yeah, I've got 4 of them on it.
I'm not confident. I really don't want to ruin this.
Happy with that.
How medium rare is your steak?
It's more on the side of rare than it is medium, but I think I'm happy with that. It's still medium rare.
I disagree. I think that's rare. But it's fine. I don't mind a rare steak on a salad, but I think we should point out that's definitely rare.
Oh, okay.
Baz, in your last 3 minutes as you plate this up, is there anything else you would have done differently to make this even speedier, your chance to win more points for the badge?
No, I'm happy with this. Yeah, I'm happy it's taken me 10 minutes to make so far. Right, okay, cool.
You've still got 1.5 minutes if you need it.
Oh no, I think I'm done. I'm gonna stop. If I kept going, I'd be faffing. And I'm happy with that as a plate of food for midweek.
Yes, we're racing here and giving you 15 minutes at home. You might want to give yourself 16, 18.
You might want to choose a completely different dish altogether.
I think you might have pulled this off, Mike. You have, however, only got 1 minute to get it served up.
Squeeze of lime.
Lovely. You're going to have to get it on a plate. You've got 45 seconds.
Come on, Mike! Oh my god, that looks wonderful.
That looks like a nice dal-y kind of thing. If that fish is good to flake over.
Yeah, just break it up. It's gone, break it.
You got 15
break it up,
seconds.
Just break it up.
6, 5, 4,
Yes!
3, 2, 1. An apron swipe.
How the hell did you do that?
Don't know what it tastes like, mate.
Sidekick bundles 3 inspiring meals together in recipe packs that share fresh and store-cupboard ingredients to save you cash. New recipe packs are released every week, so you'll always have a choice that suits you. You can plan your week using our amazing new planner feature and combine 2 recipe packs in order to plan for more days of your week. Sidekick will then generate one single shopping list for all those meals, ordered by category to make shopping a lot easier. Then cook using the step-by-step recipe guides, automatic timers, and smartly placed washing up prompts to ensure fail-safe results and a clean kitchen before you even take a mouthful. And all the fresh food that you bought at the beginning of the week will be entirely used up. Why not give Sidekick a try today, completely free for 30 whole days?
Right, boys, 15 minutes. We're not looking for showstopper dishes. We are looking for excellent cooking, simple balance and deliciousness. 2 inviting plates. Right,
Get in.
I'm going to dig in this side because I'm intrigued by miso butter chickpeas. I have to be honest, like, not everyone likes steak that rare. A good vet could probably still bring it back. But for me, that's good on a salad. The buttery miso chickpeas, really tasty, if not a little salty.
Oh my goodness, it's delicious.
In a hybrid to bring 3 ingredients together, I think your 3rd ingredient was just kind of an afterthought. You just kind of cucumbered on top.
Whoa. Cucumber. Whoa.
And you can't go
Careful,
cucumbered.
Evans.
You just cucumbered on top.
You did. And that's how you pronounce it, cucumbered. As opposed to something else.
That's great.
You've been looking forward to that line for a long time, haven't you?
No, I
You've
don't
been saying
understand
that
what is
all
so
day.
funny about cucumbered.
It's when you do that.
Well, he kind of literally had it on his belt board. He just kind of went, we'll just dump it on
I
top.
think I cucumber, didn't I?
I think the cucumber was a bit of an afterthought.
It wasn't!
But it is perfectly delicious and tasty. And actually, given how salty and miso-y your chickpeas are, that cucumber's quite fresh.
It's really delicious, mate.
This was a whirlwind.
Yeah.
But you know what? I am so excited to try it because in my head, the use of rhubarb as like a tart fruit, almost tamarindy with the lentils, and I can see perfectly cooked fish. You weren't sure if it was done, but it is just done as opposed to overdone. I can see that. Let's dig in.
Oh man, I'm
Cheers.
nervous.
Cheers.
I'm happy with that.
You don't need the coconut milk in that. That's delicious. Milky, it is spicy, but also spiced with the garam masala and the cinnamon and the smoked fish, flaked on the top,
What's making it so sweet?
saved with the squeeze of lime to bring it all together. That's really lovely. Are you chuffed with that?
I'm really
Should
happy
be.
with it. I don't know how I did it.
I think it's clever, I think it's delicious, I think it's really simple, midweek, speedy cooking that you want to tuck into.
I can't believe I did it.
That is,
I'm surprised.
I'm blown away by that.
That is delicious. Now today we had speedy badges up for grabs. Baz, you had kind of like start with the steak, get the pan hot, sear it, rest it, and ingredients like miso that cut out a lot of time because of the flavour they pack. Whereas this, the blending up of the paste to speed up the cooking, the use of the lid on the pan, the large surface area, the fact that you pan fried the fish, which was going to be quicker than waiting for it to poach, might have been accidental in the time pressure, but the point is you found a solution and it made it quicker cooking. So both deserve the speedy badge.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Although that does nothing for me because I'm still last.
But in terms of a winning dish, and honestly 2 minutes before the end of the time, I wasn't sure. But it is absolutely that. That is delicious. Well done.
Thanks.
I think it's an accidental worldie.
I told you you could do it.
I needed a bit of retribution. Also, the takeout of the video is Ben was right all along. Great.
Start positive and look what you end up with.
I've got to agree that's a worldie. But do you agree? Is that the winning dish? Let us know down below, and also, did we deserve these badges?
Plus, as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and a thumbs up so we know to make more.
And check out our Sidekick app if you want to check out other speedy recipe packs. It's free for 30 days. Well, that's a weird place to end, isn't it? But it is free for 30 days.
Yeah.
Why not? Nothing to lose.
Have you been lemon juicing or what's
Does look it, doesn't it?
What's the
no lemon
squeezy
juice, that
application?
was
No, we
foils.
actually sat with foil in a chair
Foils
for
on
an hour.
Sunday. This the annoying thing is, this is what I wanted. And I got it down, that is not what I expected.
Why?
But
I think it looks alright.
It's too much.
It looks
It's
sunblush.
it's
It does look
it's
like he's
really
lemon
blonde.
juiced and gone out and sat in like
Yeah.